Hi and welcome. This is Sig back at the Lockpick. Some anonymous benefactor sent me a wonderful high security lock from Abus, and I like to share it with you guys. I'm really excited to see what hides behind this wrapping and if I can get this supposedly unpickable lock open. So let's have ourselves a little unboxing. Let's see what's in the package first. I'm wondering what's in there. This will be our key. And wow, look at that bidding. Those are some insane high, low, high cuts. But let's see if it works. Looks fine. Let's slap it into a vise. I said, let's slap it into a vise. Yes. I'll be using top of the keyway tension with this tensioner and a short hook from Sparrows. Let's go. There's something on one. Little click there. 2 is binding. And we got this open. This just goes to show that even the toughest security locks are pickable with This just goes to show that even the toughest high security locks are pickable with some time, a sharp mind, and dedication. I'm really proud of this one. Happy April Fool's Day, everyone.